Have you ever lost your wallet? Or maybe you forgot your debit or credit card at a store. Or what do you do if you don't have any cash on you? It happens to all of us, and it can feel really scary. Welcome to English Fluency Fuel, the channel that helps you learn real English through fun and useful stories. In today's video, you'll hear the story of Pam and Leo, two teenagers who go out for a fun evening, but something unexpected happens. Don't worry, it all works out in the end. You'll learn helpful English phrases, everyday vocabulary, and even some fun slang. And when there's a difficult word or phrase, one of our characters will explain it. Let's jump into the story.
Wow, that movie was amazing! I loved the ending. What did you think, Leo?
Yeah, that twist at the end? I did not see that coming.
Wait a second. No.
What's wrong?
I think I lost my wallet.
Are you sure?
It's not in my bag. I had it when I paid for the popcorn. I had it then. I know I did.
Okay, deep breath. Let's go back inside and check.
Nothing here. Maybe I dropped it at the counter. Hi, excuse me. I think I lost my wallet. I bought popcorn earlier. Has anyone turned it in?
Sorry, no one has brought in a wallet today.
Okay. Thanks anyway.
Still nothing?
No. This is the worst.
All right. First things first, let's freeze your credit cards.
Freeze? You mean like put them in the freezer?
No. When you freeze a card, it means you block it so no one can use it. It's like putting it on pause.
Got it. Okay. I'll call the bank. Hi. I lost my wallet. Can you please freeze my credit card?
Can you confirm your name and the last 4 digits of your card?
Yes. My name is Pam Rivers. The last 4 digits are 6283.
Okay, that is done.
Perfect. Thank you.
What about your other card?
Oh, I can freeze that one from the app. Let's see. Go to cards, tap freeze card, and done. Whew.
Nice. Crisis averted.
Averted?
It means we stopped the problem before it got worse.
Oh, thanks, Leo. You're a lifesaver.
No worries. Now you're broke, huh?
Totally broke. What does broke mean exactly?
It means you have no money. Totally broke means super no money. 0.
Yep, that's me.
All right. Want to still have some fun for free?
Yes, please.
Look, free food samples.
This is good. Free tastes better.
Always does. And check this out. Live music.
This guy's good.
Yeah, and it's free entertainment. Gotta love it.
Hey, Leo.
Yeah?
Thanks. Today could have been a disaster, but you helped me turn it around.
That's what friends are for.
And next time, I'll keep my wallet in a zipper pocket.
Good idea. Let's keep walking. Maybe we'll find free ice cream next.
Now that would be the cherry on top.
Cherry on top.
Yeah, like the best ending, the perfect extra.
Nice one.
Great job listening to the story. Now, let's check your understanding with some questions. Don't worry, take your time. Question 1. Why did Pam panic after the movie? A. She didn't like the ending. B. She lost her wallet. C. She lost her phone. Correct answer, B. Pam panicked because she couldn't find her wallet after the movie. Question 2. What does freeze a credit card mean? A. Put it in the freezer. B. Give it to a friend. C. Block the card so no one can use it. Correct answer, C. To freeze a credit card means to block or pause it for safety. Question 3. What did Pam and Leo do for free fun? A. They watched another movie. B. They played video games. C. They ate food samples and listened to music. Correct answer, C. They enjoyed food samples and street music for free. Question 4. What does broke mean in this story? A. Something is broken. B. You don't have any money. C. You are feeling sad. Correct answer, B. Broke means having no money.
So, what did we learn today? Pam lost her wallet, but she stayed calm with Leo's help. She froze her cards quickly and still found a way to have fun without spending a dime. The lesson? Even when bad things happen, you can stay cool, take action, and find joy in simple things. And always keep your wallet in a safe spot. Thanks for watching today's episode on English Fluency Fuel. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new English words and phrases. Have you ever lost your wallet or cards? Tell us in the comments. We love hearing your stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing English every day, and remember, you're doing great. See you next time.